Welcome to Foxtecc. In today's video, we're going to discuss how to get your iPad to take a screenshot quicker. While this isn't exactly a setting you can find within the iPad's options, there are a few tricks and methods you can use to speed up the process or at least make it feel a bit faster. Firstly, if you have a keyboard connected to your iPad, there's a handy shortcut you can use. By pressing Command plus Shift plus 4, you can take a screenshot instantly. This shortcut skips the usual process and takes you directly to the editing page of the screenshot. This can make the process a bit quicker as you're immediately able to start editing or sharing the screenshot right after taking it. While this method may not make the process significantly faster, it does streamline it, making it feel more efficient. The difference might be minor, but every little bit helps, especially if you take a lot of screenshots. Another method to consider is using the Assistive Touch feature. This is a floating button that can be customized to perform various actions, including taking screenshots. To enable Assistive Touch, go to Settings, then Accessibility, and find the Assistive Touch toggle within the Touch section. Turn it on, and you'll see a small movable button appear on your screen. Once you have Assistive Touch enabled, you can customize it to take a screenshot with a simple double tap or through the Assistive Touch menu. This can save you time compared to pressing the physical buttons on your iPad, especially if you find those buttons hard to reach or use quickly. Lastly, while these tricks can help you take screenshots a bit faster, the most significant improvements usually come with new updates to iPadOS. Major updates often bring performance enhancements and new features that can streamline processes like taking screenshots. So keep an eye out for the latest updates from Apple and make sure your iPad is running the most current version of iPadOS. In conclusion, while there's no direct setting to make your iPad take screenshots faster, using keyboard shortcuts and Assistive Touch can help streamline the process. These small adjustments can make a noticeable difference in your workflow. Thank you for watching today's video on Foxtecc. If you found this guide helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Peace.